It was a teenage wedding and the old folks wished it well. You could see that Pierre did truly love the mademoiselle. And now the young monsieur and madame on the chapel bell.